This is Taj English Academy from Dr. Taj Firdausi. Good morning to all my students of advanced level. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's recapitulate what I told you in the last class. We had phonetics class with words and sounds, and then I said about stressed and unstressed. Then we covered intonations, the sound which goes up and down in the last classes. In my previous lectures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lectures in advanced. And today we are going to learn about diphthongs. The sound goes down, it varies, it glides, it's not going straight up or down or up or down. The sound glides. For example, let's think of table, T-A-B-L-E, table. And what we people say? Table, table. It's totally wrong. You should say table, table, So, just now I said the word S-O, S-O, so, not so. Now, ab, N-O-W, now, the sound is gliding. So, the words glide. This gliding of sound is called diphthong. This is the place where mostly people make mistakes. It's not a question of mistakes, it's ignorance, because they don't know exactly how to use the diphthongs, and when they use the full sentence, the intonations, and when every word that comes there, they don't know where to stress and when to unstress it, which is the unstressed and stressed. Let's try to use some words and see whether you can do diphthong in that one. Let's make a sound. Paper. With diphthong, come on. Paper, paper. Great, great, great. S-U-P-E-R, super, super, super. Because. That's an out. About. So, we have done a lot of things. Now, your job is to listen to the sounds, not sound, sounds, and pay attention, pay. I want to say today, not today, today, diphthongs. So, we have finished this diphthongs, and the more and more you want, you can have my special lessons on my special videos. They are only for the people who want to learn more and more. In these classes, I can give the hints and the most important things that you can use. Now, after this, there were some people telling me, Doctor, you didn't tell me much about using a and an. We have some confusion. I got some message. Somebody called me and said, please, can you explain to me? I want to know. In short, in brief, I will add this also. Nouns are countable and uncountables. For uncountable nouns, there is no a or an. They are indefinite articles. The is the definite articles. The, the or the. We will discuss that also. Now, let's say a pen. We have to say a pen, not a pen. A pen. A table. There is a table. There is a table. There is a table. I want a pen. I want a pen. A pen. Orange. Starts with a with vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sound. Vowel sound, not vowel letters. So, I want an orange. I want an orange. So, an orange. O is there. A, apple. Yes. There is an apple in the fridge. There is an apple. An apple. So, vowel sounds, not vowel letters. Use an. Next, what about the letter for uniform? Sorry. Uniform starts with U. So it is not an uniform. It is a uniform. Well, let's continue. Uniform starts with a letter U. According to the definition, vowels A, E, I, O, U will take an. But for uniform, though it is U, but the sound is like Y-U. Y-O-U. Uniform. So, according to the sound, don't go to the spelling. According to the sound, it is Y sound is A, uniform. In Old English, for hotel, H was silent. Hotel, an hotel, an hotel. But in the modern, they changed to ha, H, ha. So, a hotel. A hotel. Before it was an. So, university. University. University starts with U, but the sound looks like Y. So, it is once again not an university, it is a university. A university. That's the important point that you should know. Diphthongs and a and an, which are the different and difficult situations and places we have to use. There are some cases where uncountables cannot be made as plural. For example, water is singular. Water. Waters. Like if you are referring to different kinds of water. Waters. Like Shakespeare says, all the sweet waters of Arabia. In Macbeth he says, cannot sweeten our hands. Something like that. Waters, all the sweet waters of. It's something like, for one uncountable, he wants to multiply it. That's thing like that one. So, that's all. And what else we need to know about before we go to the words, structures, and go to phrases. The most important thing is about the phrases before we go to the sentences and clauses. The most difficult part in our English grammar, the most important thing is the clauses, which I'm going to take you step by step. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's say goodbye for today's lesson, and a short lesson, in fact, and we are going to meet again the next week with some beautiful lessons heading towards clauses. It's very important. For the advanced level, I think it's something like the 4th or 5th lecture of mine. Please keep all the lectures and everything from Taj English Academy. Go to your levels, advanced levels. But I have seen that people don't share. If you share more, I will continue. If not, I will continue my teaching business online only for money. It's free. It is up to you. You want to make these classes go free for you, for all your friends. You have to just tell all your friends to make use of this opportunity. This is for you all. I am doing everything here so that those who love this channel, Taj English Academy, are benefited with these things. We are going to a very high and a very high level. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. And please share with all your friends. Goodbye from Dr. Taj Firdausi. Have a nice day.